Hello everyone! It's me Maxi and welcome back again to my channel. And for today's video po guys, it's all about yung continuation po ng Halloween party celebration here in our village, which is nag-trick or treat po ang aking mga kids. And for this video po, i-highlights po natin ang children magic show. Just only a simple magic show para po ma-entertain ng mga kids. Maybe some of us wondered what is Halloween, so I will give you some facts about Halloween. And Halloween was originated from the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain, where people wear costumes to ward off spirits, and its name comes from All Hallows Eve, or so Halloween from the word All Hallows Eve. Yan. It is said that Halloween was first introduced to us from Northern Europe. Through different platforms of social media, it was easily adapted all over the world, but there are some countries that don't celebrate Halloween because of religious belief. But for us here in the Philippines, we adapted it in a positive and bright way. Bright side, all for the glory of God. And it is also our prayers for all the souls. It is also a way of sharing fun and building a harmonious relationship of children in different communities. It is also a way of sharing a small gift for trick or treat, because nowadays, children are too much hooked and attached by gadgets, kaya hindi na sila masyadong nakikihalubilo. So, Halloween, meron namang magagandang side sa Halloween. Meron din mga iba ayaw nila. So, we have to respect each other's principle and each other's belief. So, by the way guys, nag-start na po ang ating magic show. Minumute ko lang po ang music nito dahil copyright. So, here, please enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much. As we can see po, it's a great impact here in the Philippines ang Halloween dahil nag-enjoy ang mga kids. They learn how to be friendly, to socialize, not puro gadgets na lang, and they know how to share. At marami din po tayo mga ka-communities na mga very generous at nagsishare ng kanilang mga blessings just to make our kids have fun and ma-feel nila ang way of sharing. Yan. Kaya maganda naman ang Halloween. At saka, pagdating naman ng November 1, saka November 2, yun po yung solemn prayer para sa ating mga departed loved ones and for all the souls in purgatory. Kasi tayong mga Filipino, mga masayahin talaga tayo. We always look at the bright side. Kung maganda ang dulot nito, we easily adapted it. Ganun lang po yun. Ayun, please enjoy the show.
isang batang lalaki. Lalaki. Asa ba yung idol ko? Yung idol ko? Hi! Hi kayo sa kanan, kuya. Hi! Okay, gusto niyo ba malaman yung pangalan ni kuya? Okay, siya si Lupin. Okay, huwag mahawakan kuya, ako nakahawak. Okay. Wait, hi kayo kay Lupin. Hi ka sa kanila. Hi. Okay, tatanungin ako kuya, nag-aaral ka na ba? Oo. Saan ka nag-aaral? Sa SM. Iyo, sa SM, hindi sa SM. Saan ka nag-aaral? SM nga eh. Oh, sa SM ko. Okay, wait. Okay, ngayon nakikita mo pa sila, ha? Lahat? Alam nakikita mo? Mga unggoy. Grabe ka naman mga unggoy. Hindi mga unggoy, yung mga bata yan. Nag-aaral ka na ba, kuya? Magaling ka ba sa math? Siyempre, magaling ako dyan. Magaling pala si kuya. Palakpakan nyo naman si kuya. Magaling ka. Magaling kita, kuya, ha? Wait lang, ha? Wala naman ito. Okay. Ayusin lang natin, ha? Sasayin lang siya ng gato. At sasayaw ka, kuya, ha? Ayusin lang ng gato. Palakpakan ka, pare mo, kuya. Okay, ready? Gato-gato ka. Palakpakan ka muna dyan. Palakpakan ka muna dyan. Palakpakan ka dyan. Ready? 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 Go! Yeah!
So, ayan po, almost done ang ating magic show. And I apologize po sa ating background na on and off dahil copyright po kaya kinakat ko. And I hope that you enjoy guys our magic show para ma-entertain lang ang mga kids. Ayan, thank you so much for being always with me sa aking mga premieres. November 1 po is All Saints Day. It is observed to commemorate all Christian saints and martyrs, both known and unknown, who are believed to have attained heaven. It is a solemn holiday that honors the faithful who have lived holy lives and serves as a reminder for Christians to live in communion with them and strive for holiness themselves. And it is followed by All Souls Day on November 2, which specifically commemorates for all who have died and for all the souls in purgatory. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope may natutunan po kayo, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much and have a nice day.